Hello guys, how are you doing? Commander here. Yeah, feel much welcome to my YouTube channel. As I said earlier, my name is Commander. Yeah, it is already evening. Yes, so I moved from the village. So right now, I'm in a certain town. I'll clarify and simplify uh, the location. Yeah, I'll disclose, guys. So keep tuned. Yes. Just going home. Yeah, actually not home, where I live, right? Wow. So I said earlier, guys, it is already evening around uh, 5 p.m. here in Kenya, East Africa. Yes. Kajua kamechomoza. Let me show you. Let me show you from that far end, right? Yeah, I'm not at the village, guys. Yeah, right now I'm in a certain town. I'll disclose uh yeah, I'll disclose. So guys, stay tuned. Yeah. Actually, and also let me know what you think about this video. Yeah. And as well as guys, don't forget to subscribe and also like the video, you know? Yeah. A very cold environment, a very silent environment, no noise, you know? Yeah. You can let the environment out of 10, guys. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Napenda hii place sana. I like this place. Yeah. See? I've just come from that far end. Yeah. Oh, I like this place a lot, guys. When I'm free, uh, I normally come here, and just chill. Yeah. Very conducive environment. Yeah. Wow. Have a look at this, guys. See? Woo! Okay, guys, flow with the vibe. I hope I could get I hope I could get a better camera, but because of yeah, you can continue enjoying, guys. My camera is not that good. Yes. Just few meters, guys, to connect the highway, guys. In fact, that is meters, just centimeters. Finally, wow. This is the main road that connects Kisumu, also Nairobi. This highway is normally very busy all the time, guys. I like passing shortcuts. Yeah, so yeah, I like passing shortcuts, guys. You know, because this shortcut is so faster than you know just moving across the highway and then to just reach where I live, guys. Okay. A very calm environment, you know. Yeah. Let me know, guys, what do you think about this video? Yeah. Oh my God, when it rains here, this you normally find this road so muddy when it is the rain season. Ngikongera. Varekodie. In the village streets. In the village streets of the town, guys. In the village streets of the town, guys. You're wondering what is this? Yeah. Just hook on me till the end. Ooh. Guys, this is it. In the streets of the village, in the town, guys. Look at there. That is the town. Maybe this is your first time coming across my videos, guys. This is your first time. My name is Commander from Kenya, East Africa. Yeah, just a small boy trying to figure his life, guys. I think now, guys, you can see the town, guys. Yeah. Ooh, let me pass here. I have come along from that far end, guys, up to here, guys. In the village streets of the town, guys. As I said at the beginning of this video, this close the town. Yeah, just stay tuned, guys. Very calm, a very calm place. Oh, look at this, guys. Huh? Just come from this side, yeah, and then you're good to go. Yeah. Let me repeat. Okay. Just come from this side, pass here, tremble your leg here, another step, then you're good to go. Mambo. That is it, guys. That is it. Look at the napier grass. Look at the napier grass. This is the liver here. Yeah. In fact, this liver, guys, as you look at it, this liver, you may find what do you call fish. I don't think, but it is a mudfish, guys. You can find mudfish here. There is a day I found just small boys fishing here, and I even guys got them with mudfish. You know, it was around 9, 9, 8 a.m. in the morning, guys. A very good liver, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Imagine this is the town, guys, but I'm in the villages of the town, guys. As I said earlier, I'm in the streets of the village in the town, you know. Yeah. Let me know what you think about this video. Yeah. And also, don't forget to give a video a like, and as well as subscribing. Yeah. Look at there, guys. Overs as you pass by. Yeah. Just get waffles. You know, you just pinch, then you enjoy, guys, as you continue with your journey. Yeah, mambo live, mambo live, mambo live in the streets of the village, guys. See? The dark has already started showing up. I don't know if my camera will sustain, the darkness, because yeah, this is what it is, guys. God willing, I'll find a good camera to just show you the world, guys. Yeah, it is already uh, 5 5:30 5:30 p.m. guys, here in Kenya, East Africa. Yeah, pupils have started, uh, wameanza kutoka shule, they are from school. Yeah, by reason. Okay guys, look at these trees. Plenty, plenty, plenty. The bananas over here. Wow. See that liver? That liver is here, guys. They even harvest the sand from here. You know? You see, that is sand, guys, over there. That is sand. This is sand, guys. You know, another one, another barrier is here. Another barrier of sand is here. Imagine, guys, these are the hostels. Yeah. See Kerubo Villas there. No? I mean, these are rental houses, guys. In the village streets of the town, guys. See? Beautiful environment, guys. Beautiful environment. If you have ever passed this route, maybe, and you are my fan, don't forget to, you know, show me. Yeah. If I have already passed your residential home, yeah, you just show me. Yeah, and if you have ever passed this route, I like these environments. Hmm, hmm. See, the hard-working kids, guys. They've just come from school, you know, and then wametuma maji, but some go to fetch water to wash the school clothes. Yeah, sasa in the streets of the village, guys, in town, actually. You can even see the electricity here. You know? Yeah, that pole over there. That house, you guys, that that house over there. Yeah, that is you know, here we don't buy bricks. You just make yours, then you burn, then you can even use those bricks to build. Yeah, leo kunyesha, so the road is just clear. Yeah, free from mud. see tails over there. Just drop a comment. Let me know what do you think about this video. You know, what should I improve? What should I improve, guys? You know, yeah. So, guys, let me end this video at this point because of the darkness that has started showing up, guys. Yeah, thank you for staying tuned till the next video. Bye bye.